Ann from Designs by Ann C. Today I'm going to create for you one of my favorite flowers, which is the sunflower. I would also like to have French tulips in there, but they're not in season. So we're just going to use some yellow calla lilies and orange Gerber daisies. I want to bring sunshine into your home because you being my clients and my fans, it makes me happy. So I'm going to give you some happiness. So what I created for you to save some time was a beautiful display. You can use it on a feast table. You can use it on a buffet. You could just use it on a kitchen table. And I'm sure you have oranges, lemons, any kind of fruits that you love. So let's have some fun here. So what I did is I created a tall vase with a monstera leaf because that gives it a lush feeling. I always say that if you add greenery to something, it's like adding salt to a steak. Salt brings the taste out. So we're going to start by adding individual flowers and also creating a beautiful display of sunflowers. Now just remember, you do not have to have everything perfect because nothing's perfect in life. I'm not perfect, and I'm sure you're not perfect. But we think at times we are. So we're going to create something that's just going to be gorgeous. I just decided that I don't want to have that long. So we're going to add it in here. And sometimes it's difficult, even for a decorator florist such as I am. See what I mean? Let's figure out how to do this so that it's not going to be a mess. So we're going to lay it in there, and we're going to get another large head. And we're going to place it into the arrangement, into the vase. We're going to float it so that it gives it a pretty look. And we're going to do one more. And that as well, we're going to float. Okay, so since we have all these beautiful stemmed flowers, we're going to place them into a vase. No rhyme, no reason. We're just going to add them at different lengths. And since fall is coming into season, this is something that can be used all year long. I love sunflowers. If I say it one more time, I know it sounds crazy, but I absolutely love them. I just think they're so happy. So now we have a beautiful yellow calla lily. We're going to give it a cut. And we're going to add it to the display. Such as this. So now it's giving it a beautiful, eclectic look. So another flower that's lovely is a Gerber daisy, excuse me. Now, see how the angle on this is? It doesn't really matter. It'll just sit where it wants to sit. It has a mind of its own. And place it in front. And I'm going to do 3 in this particular one. There. So we have 2 additional on this side. So I'm going to do a low calla lily just to sit in the vase, just like that. And then we're going to do a little taller one so it gives it a little height. Now I'm going to get a large head sunflower. And I'm just going to let it sit on the table like that. Because what I want to explain to you is this. Everything should have levels. Everything should not be on top. Everything should not be this size, that size. So you need to show that there's different levels on the table because your eye goes to everything. Now, we forgot this side. So I added, as I said, some greenery, and we're We're gonna add a calla lily here. And we're gonna add a beautiful, now this is a lovely sunflower. It's a thin stem sunflower, and I think it's gonna look perfect. Excuse me, in here. Just sitting right there. And we're going to do another calla lily in here. Now remember, you can go to your local florist, and please go to your local florist. We would love to accommodate you and make your house beautiful. We can come and we can set up the display, or you could do it yourself. And that's exciting, but make sure you go to your local florist and purchase the flowers. So everything I do, as I said, I do it through love, with love, and in love. So this is Ann from Designs by Ann C. Thank you so much for bringing me into your home. You have no idea what it means to me. Probably it means more to me than it does to you. So please give me a call. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Have a great sunny day.